Hello everyone, today we have this BMW iX1, the electric, which is coming for the paint protection film maintenance. So in the maintenance treatment, what we do is we do a complete decontamination of the car. There are a lot of these salt deposits which come as a result of washing. Plus, we are going to decontaminate the surface of the car, and we are also going to do a cleanup of all these areas. As you see, there's a lot of salt deposits.
A few minutes later,
we have completed the PPF maintenance. So we have cleaned up all the salt deposits which accumulate over time. So the front grille is clean. The other areas like the wheels have also been fully restored. All the deposits have been removed. So we have also given it one round of decontamination plus a ceramic top up. So this is what we do as a part of the paint protection film maintenance process.